Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting precise recent data: what you ate, drank, meds, and when symptoms began. Next, remove acute triggers. Stop carbonated drinks and chewing gum because swallowed air worsens bloating. Once removed, use gentle measures. Sip warm water and practice seated diaphragmatic breathing for 5 to 10 minutes to mobilize trapped gas. This first phase reduces immediate pressure and gives you a clearer baseline, so you can see whether simple behavior changes ease symptoms before moving to targeted interventions. Now you shift into methodical correction. Try a low FODMAP plan for 1 to 2 weeks to spot fermentable triggers. Reintroduce foods one at a time to identify culprits. While adjusting diet, add consistent physical activity. A 20 to 30-minute walk or gentle yoga twists after meals helps move gas through your intestines. If discomfort persists, consider a short trial of over-the-counter simethicone or activated charcoal for symptomatic relief, but monitor effects and stop if no benefit, because long-term fixes are behavioral and dietary. To finish, focus on durable resilience. Diversify fiber slowly and add fermented foods or a targeted probiotic trial to rebalance your microbiome. This reduces recurrence over weeks to months. Make lasting habit changes too. Eat slowly, choose smaller portions, and avoid straws and gum so you swallow less air. If symptoms remain severe or progressive, pursue diagnostic testing for SIBO, lactose intolerance, or celiac disease. Troubleshooting tip: if gas worsens after fiber, cut back and reintroduce gradually to prevent symptom flare.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.